Looking like I'm feeling myself. I just hit the Heisman like I'm posted on the shelf. Cha-cha, samba, dancing like a contest. Sicko with the moves, I wish them well.
Let's go, you guys. Let's see the room.
Let's do it.
We're oceanfront. Wow, wow, wow. Let me get out of the way. Oceanfront.
We got the balcony. It's a party.
King Suites.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you, sir. Okay, let's go to the left first. This is our big restroom.
Get the lights on.
Big bath.
Light not working.
Uh-oh. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to put your key card in there. We just figured it out. The lights are now on, you guys. We thought they weren't at first. So yeah, put your card in the slot and then you can turn on the lights. This is the restroom. Two sinks. Beautiful.
Nice marble, rust marble.
Restroom.
Stand-up
Shower.
You know, this right here is what I like.
You got the robes, bath towels.
This is it right here, baby. And you can
Big
see,
bathtub with the
out.
mirror.
Clean.
TJ likes to look at himself when he stands up. And then right out the windows. Okay, there's the door, you guys. Little area right there. Mini bar to the left. So this stuff is all inclusive. You got a little bar here, like a little mini bar. They give you drinks. I'm sure you can ask for more if you want. A few snacks, you guys. Here's the coffee. Look what we just discovered. So you open this, it's got a lock on it. You put your food, not here, there. And then on the other side. Look. Also, when we came in, they gave us a free drink. We've had a few of these already. So they actually give you free alcohol also. All-inclusive resort, we're loving this one. ×2. We already ate at a restaurant that was, you guys. So this is a really good deal for this beautiful luxury resort. The last one that we stayed at, the Viceroy, which I have linked also, it wasn't. This is also adults only, just to let y'all know. Huge bed, little sitting area, TV, safe, extra drawers, and then you got mirrors over here, you guys. I just opened this. I thought this was a TV, but it's not. Extra hanging area, so a lot of space for your stuff. Another area to hang your stuff at. So then you got another sitting area to the right, your couch and sitting area to the left. This is the whole room. And of course, the view from the front. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So that is the entrance right there, right when you walk in. We actually ate right underneath here. So you walk right in, there's another bar right there. Just a beautiful resort. We haven't seen it all because we just checked into our room, but oceanfront, beautiful. Pool, beach. Beautiful oceanfront views. We will have the full vlog and everything that we did here in the link in the description. So be sure and check that out, you guys. We like to link those two together. We also have tons of other rooms you can check out in our playlist. Tons of other places we've stayed. This is A Day with Destiny and TJ. We do vlogs here, lifestyle channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.